Welcome to my channel Trade with Naveen. Today we will discuss some of the interesting stock patterns which happened after today's trade. We'll discuss selected some few stocks. First we'll go with the IDFC Bank. Currently in this chart setup, I've used two moving averages. The blue one is 20, the brown one is 50. Both are exponential moving averages. Look at this chart. This is IDFC First Bank. The stock has made a 52-week high and also showing a triangle breakout. Confirmation is yet to required. Currently, as we discussing this, Dow is 150 down, SGX is also down, but it is nothing to do with us. We are checking price action of the stocks. That's it. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. Please use for your educational purpose only. Okay, this is IDFC First Bank. This is a breakout 92. So the fresh buying can come above this line. Another stock which I like is India Hotel. This stock is in a range. Currently it's trading in a rectangle, we can call a rectangle. Very good range. Also it's taking multiple supports from the 375 zones. Now with today's big range candle, it has not only took out last 5-6 days gain fall, also it broke both the moving averages in a single stretch. So this stock should be watched. This stock looking good. Another stock is which I like is Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL. The stock has been in range from last 2 months after a very big move. Probably currently base is slowly shifting up. It is just emptying the impatient investors. So once this line breaks, or once it makes the new high, it should start move journey up to 4,600 or 4,800. This is not a recommendation. This is just for educational purpose. Another stock is BEL. This is also same defense sector stock. It has made a fresh 52-week high today. So once this 52-week high started making with the big candle, it can move further. Keep eye on this stock. It's a good one. Another stock which I like is Federal Bank, which is not at 52-week high but very near to all-time high and 52-week high. Today it has shown a small breakout from the wedge, falling wedge, with a very decent candle. So consider this. Also yesterday it has moved, took a support from 50-day exponential. So this stock also looking good. Another stock which I like is Indus In. The mid cap private banks are looking little bit good. Indus In yesterday with the range candle broken 20 exponential moving average. Today NR7 with the small 20 low at 20 exponential moving averages. So if it sustains this, it can move big. It's near to recent high or 50-week high, and also it has shown a double bottom here. You can see a double bottom, almost not a picture perfect, almost nearly a double bottom. So breakout will come above 1435 above the double bottom neckline. Breakout will come. So if this breaks out, it can move up to like this. So keep eye on this Indus In Bank. Another stock which seems interesting is Axis Bank. This stock also made a double bottom pattern, proper double bottom pattern. Now today it has touched both the moving averages. From there seen a up candle even when market or bank nifty was falling. So above 950 or 959 or 960, this will just break out from this zone and can move further. Keep eye on this stock. Another stock which I like is Titan, which is also near all-time high. Few days back it took a support at 20 exponential moving averages. and it made a big upper wick a few days back, conquered that, and after that it's going in a sideways. New high is very near. So recently it has taken out 2 months high. So this stock can be considered. The price action is currently good. It is holding on to this. Even today it broken yesterday's low. From there is no follow through selling. It recovered all the way to today's highest point. So keep eye on this stock. Another rest of the stocks, most of the stocks are IT sector because of the rupee depreciation. IT stocks has seen some buying. Okay, one more stock other than IT is L&T, Larsen and Toubro. This is also took a support at 20 EMA few days back, 2 days back. Now near new high. Suddenly it can take out the new high and move further. This stock is looking good. Now rest of all IT stocks, all the IT stocks are looking good in this one charts. This is emphasis, but IT stock is slightly news based, so it's a double-edged sword. Please utilize the stop loss very properly. It can like either side move faster. Another is First Source. This is also IT stock. Had a very decent breakout and very good candles from the breakout. Probably momentum is still left. Another is Tech Mahindra, which has not broken out yet. It is near breakout. Somewhere it is having a small pole and flag pattern like this. So breakout above this will be interesting. Breakout above 1227. Tech Mahindra is interesting. Another is Persistent System, the strongest stock of the IT pack. This is also near all-time high. Currently this is very critical. It is giving a small pattern like this. Above this high of 5065, Persistent can move another 400 rupees. Another 400 500 rupees. Keep eye on this stock. Another is LTIM. This is also near to previous high. 2 days back it is also bouncing from 20 EMA, not away from month high. Keep eye on this because all the IT is anyhow doing good. This also can join immediately to that rally. Another one is Wipro. It is for sideways to bearish for very long time. Even if you check weekly chart also, you can see it is kind of making a rounding bottom. So above this, up to first resistance is around 445. Second, here is also very good resistance. Above this stock can turn around for another up move. The up move can last up to this much also, 500. So in weekly chart also it's making a good formation, so we can consider this for a delivery kind of trading also, or investment with the stop loss below 350 or 380 also. Another stock is HCL Tech. We'll go with the daily time frame here. This stock also near 50 high. Anytime the breakout can happen. So once this zone is taken out, another resistance is little bit far. So it's kind of slowly building cup and handle, not moving. So with this pack rally, these stocks are looking good. Last couple of days, this doing nothing. It has showing wicked both the sides. Most of the long legged dojis. So everywhere it is showing a lot of buying. Only problem is in chart this stock has a gap left. Here is a gap left. Keep eye on that also. This is a gap left. Otherwise this stock is also good. Okay, these are the stocks which I like for trading or watching for next couple of days. If you like my analysis or if you find my analysis useful, please subscribe to my channel. Also click like to this video, share with your friends. Thank you. My channel name is Trade with Naveen. Thank you.